Hey, it's Armand. Thank you for joining me. I am an Army veteran, a retiree, and a federal government employee. And today I'm talking about how to use your VA home loan. This channel is for the transition process from the military to the civilian life. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get started. One of the most powerful benefits that you receive from the military is the ability to use the VA home loan. This benefit essentially allows you the ability to purchase a home with no money down. And on top of that, you also save on primary mortgage insurance, which is PMI. That can easily save you hundreds of dollars a month on your mortgage. The standard VA home loan limit this year is $548,000. This amount varies depending on your geographical location. For example, in San Francisco, the loan is up to $822,000. And in Boston, it's $724,000. I will leave a link to the VA loan home calculator in the description below so you can check out your region. Fortunately for me, I was able to use my VA home loan about 2 years before I retired from the Army. The first step is to identify a VA-approved home lender. Only lenders that are approved through the Department of Veteran Affairs are able to originate a VA home loan mortgage. I personally went with USAA, but I encourage you to explore all the lenders, and I'll leave a link below so you can look at those in the description. The next step is to get your certificate of eligibility. This is the proof that you need to show that you actually qualify for this program. To apply for your certificate, you need to go to eBenefits. I will leave a link for that also below in the description. Remember, the basic requirement to qualify for the VA loan is that you served for 181 days consecutively during peacetime or 90 consecutive days during wartime. Although there are some exceptions, the next step is to get pre-qualified for a home. This is how you send a signal to everybody that you are a serious buyer. Also, a pre-qualification letter gives you a ballpark figure on what you can expect or what you can afford for that house. During this step, the lender will check income, credit history, employment, marital status, and other factors to check how much home you can actually afford. It is important to understand that if you're retiring, you will still need to show proof of income. Typically, lenders want to see at least 2 years of previous income. And it is for that reason I used my VA loan before retirement, so that I showed that I had current income and also income from the last 2 years. If you are retiring and do not have a job lined up, that could potentially look bad, so consider using it before getting out. The next step is to actually find a house, and this should be the fun part. There are a lot of websites out there that can assist you with this, such as Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com. When you find the house that you like, now is the time to sign a purchasing agreement. It is important to select a knowledgeable realtor that has experience with the VA loan process, as they can help you negotiate seller-paid fees. Once the negotiation is complete, this agreement will go back to your lender. Next is the VA appraisal. Once your lender has the purchasing agreement, they will send a certified VA appraisal to appraise the property. This individual will physically go into the home and ensure that the price that you're paying for actually equates with the market value. Finally, it's time to close on your loan and move into the house. During closing, the property is legally transferred from the previous owner to yourself. This process requires you to sign a lot of documents. In my own experience, I remember signing somewhere around 30 to 35 documents. It also took me about 4 weeks to complete the closing process. I believe currently the average for a VA loan to be closed in this country is between 40 to 50 days. Also, remember that VA home loans are not a one-time benefit. They can be used over and over again. You can even have multiple VA loans at the same time as long as you're meeting the eligibility requirements. If you haven't used a VA loan yet, I would encourage you to consider it, as it is one of the most powerful military benefits offered to you. Well, that wraps up how to use your VA home loan. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. If you like this video, please click like and consider subscribing, and I hope you have a wonderful day.